Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the head unit and monitor inputs so you match signals correctly. This prevents damage. Next, disconnect the battery, then expose the harness and find power, ground, and ACC wires to control the screen. Use a manufacturer adapter harness to avoid cutting factory wiring. This preserves car functions. Once done, route a shielded video cable from the video source toward the dash, keeping away from high current lines to reduce noise and interference. You now handle the middle work, converters and routing. If the car only accepts analog, fit an HDMI to RCA or USB video decoder and set its output format to match the head unit. Mount the converter in a ventilated spot and use short, shielded, twisted video runs to avoid interference. Make single-point grounding. Tie converter ground to the car chassis in one location to prevent ground loops. Finally, label each connection so you can backtrack quickly if a signal is missing. You finish by reconnecting the battery and powering the head unit and video source. Select the correct input and set resolution and aspect ratio to match the screen. Mismatched settings can produce black bars or no image. Observe startup behavior and test video playback for a minute to ensure stability. If nothing appears, first verify power and ground continuity, then swap cables and try a known good source. This systematic isolation finds whether the issue is power, cabling, converter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.